Who was the first Ahom ruler to adopt a Hindu name? Suhummang. Chronologically, which of the following battles was the first between Ahoms and the Mughals? Battle of Bharali. Which Harappan site has the earliest evidence of cotton cultivation? Mehgarh. Which nationalist leader resigned from the ICS in protest after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? C. Sankara Nair. Who among the following was the founder of the Indian Association? Surendranath Banerjee. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Assam? Brahmaputra nor Desang? The Dibang River, an important tributary of the Brahmaputra, originates from Mishmi Hills, North Zangna, Tibet. Which soil type in India has the highest water retention capacity? Black cotton soil. Which case led to the inclusion of the right to education as a fundamental right under Article 21A? Unnikrishnan vs. State of Andhra Pradesh. Which of the following statements correctly differentiates the Western Ghats from the Eastern Ghats? The Western Ghats are higher and more continuous, while the Eastern Ghats are lower and discontinuous. A company whose shares are not listed on a stock exchanges. Private company. Minimum number of members required for a public company in India. Option number C. The rate at which RBI lends money to commercial banks is repo rate. CRR, cash reserve ratio, is maintained by banks. In cash with RBI. The Startup India scheme was launched in option number C. Which of the following is an example of open source software? LibreOffice. The BIOS in a computer is stored in ROM. The software that translates high-level language into machine code, line by line, is interpreter. Which of the following is not a valid view in MS Word? Master layout view. In MS Excel, the function equals VLOOKUP 1002, 3, false, will. Look for 1002 in the first column of, and return the value from the third column. In Excel, which chart type is most suitable for showing the proportion of parts to a whole? Pie chart. In PowerPoint, the Slide Master is used to apply consistent formatting. Which view in PowerPoint allows you to see multiple slides at once for easy reordering? Slide Sorter view. What is the primary objective of the Special Intensive Revision, SIR, of electoral rolls announced in Assam? To remove deceased and non-citizen entries. Which initiative related to fisheries did Government of Assam launch recently to boost fish production? Aquatech Park at Sonapur.